of a dear friend or loved one, you can relax. You deserve to. So within your mind, just imagine what you are doing today. See the places you went, and some people you might have talked to. What were you doing this morning? And what were you doing just before you put on this recording? This is a very easy test. Our minds have a wonderful ability to remember, but they also have the ability to plan. So just imagine now, planning for your day tomorrow. Some things you might do. Some people you might talk to tomorrow. I bet that was pretty easy too. Now let's focus on the present moment. Our mind has the wonderful ability to do this as well. So focus on something in the moment. Maybe your breath. Maybe the sensations in your hands or feet. Perhaps you can notice the tiny movements your eyes are making as they're closed. You can follow along with the music or listen to my voice that is happening in the very moment. Very good. Let's let ourselves relax a little bit more now by imagining you are floating on a little canoe through a river. You can feel the back and forth movement of the water around you. There is no need to paddle because the current is taking your boat exactly where you need to go. Trees are lining the river and birds flying overhead. You can see the blue sky above and the crystal clear waters below. The temperature outside is perfect, and you see up ahead there is a bend in the river. As it begins to wind around, you can see rocks in the water that you're easily avoiding. And each rock you pass by, I want you to count down from 10. 10. Nice rock passes by.